Aloha! Welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappy and this is Mookie. Today we're making a drink called the Down Under. I got my trusty bartender's guide. So I'm just gonna build it over ice in my Tiki mug. It says first 4 ingredients into a highball glass over ice, then add soda water to fill. So we're just gonna do my Tiki mug today. So we got a ½ ounce of Blue Curaçao, a 1/4 ounce of rum. I got some Cruzan Aged Rum, a 1/4 ounce of vodka, and a 1/4 ounce of triple sec. I'm just going to substitute Cointreau today. And a 1/4 ounce of tequila. It says add the soda to fill. I'm just going to substitute the club soda with Sprite today. And I have a nice disheveled umbrella as a garnish. And that's a Down Under. And that concludes another episode of Chappy's Tiki Bar. Thanks for watching. What's that, Mookie? Mookie says life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar.